Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to draw a chili pepper. Now, to start off with our chili pepper, we're going to begin with the top. So, starting right here, I'm going to just draw a line that is just going to kind of curve down like this. And then I'm going to curve it this way too, kind of like a sad face. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just curves up. And then I want to do the same thing on this side. Then I'm going to draw two more little kind of pointed curvy lines like this. Now, on top of here, I want to make the stem. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a little line that just kind of curves. And then I want to make another line that's going to curve like this, maybe a little bit thinner down here and a little bigger up there. Now, right at the top here, at the end of the stem, we want to draw a circle or like an oval shape, just to make it look like it was kind of cut off there. Now we want to actually make the shape of the pepper. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a line and I'm going to kind of curve out, and then I'm going to go down, and then I'm going to curve out again like this. Then I want to do the same thing over here. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to kind of curve out, and then I'm just going to kind of follow the curve, and as I get closer towards the end here, I want it to get skinnier and skinnier. And then at the end, I just want to connect it with kind of like a rounded point. And there you go. That is your drawing of a chili pepper. Now you can always add other things like eyes on here, a little face, anything you want. If you want to put a little face on here, very easy. All you have to do is just draw a couple little eyes. So I'm going to give him kind of like a little bit of like a spicy face. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go down, and then it's going to curve up like this. And then I'm going to do another one right here. It just goes down and then kind of curves up. Then right here, all you want to do is draw a line that goes down and then curves up, kind of like a circle shape or like a big happy face. And then you can do another one right here, just kind of curve around for the eyes. Then at the top here, I'm just going to draw a little circle and then just color it in. And then do the same thing up here for the other little pupil. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a big smiley face. And then I'm just going to draw a line that's going to curve down and then back up like this for the mouth. And then inside of here, I'm just going to draw a little line across for the teeth. And then just a couple little lines going down like this. And there you go. There is your drawing of a cartoon chili pepper. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.